Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a Google form where people don't have to sign in and required to fill out your form. So just select a Google form. I'm just going to select this random party invite, and I'm just going to go to settings and I'm going to select responses. Under requires sign in, you're just going to deselect that and you're just going to send that out, and people without an account can fill in your Google form without them having to sign into Google. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!